Hi everyone, I will show you in today's easy tutorial how to make marketing workflow in asana.com. Welcome to the channel. Let's get into it. In order to create a workflow, first you need to create a project. To do that, on your Asana homepage, go top left side of the corner and click this create button indicated with a red plus sign. Click on it and then select project. You can use a template or import a spreadsheet, but I'm going to select blank project because I want to start from scratch. In this box, you can write down the project name. So I'm going to say workflow tutorial. In here, you can change your privacy settings. I'm going to keep it as it is. And here you can select your view, and I'm going to select list and click on continue. You can start adding tasks right away, but since I'm going to show you how to set up a workflow, I'm going to click on this one and then click on continue. You can rename the stages of your project in here. Let's say section 1, section 2, and section 3. You can add additional sections from here, but I think 3 is enough. I'm going to click on project, and that's it. You create a workflow. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe button to help others to find this video. Thank you for watching.